Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Anna's 3-day fast begins at Mumbai, says he does not fear death, threatens campaign against Congress in 5 poll-bound states. Lokpal debate in Parliament heats up. Sushma Swaraj raises question of constitutional validity. Government likely to amend Lokpal Bill. "168 aspirants for Congress ticket in 40 constituencies. Kith and kin of heavyweights apply for ticket. Mickey likely to announce his Goa Progressive Party." I-League action resumes on Wednesday after Christmas break. Leaders Dempo Sports Club play in Bangalore. Churchill Brothers clash with Sporting Club at Patorda. And Sports Authority of Goa Executive Director V.M. Prabhudesai rubbishes speculation about commission for floodlights. Now the news in detail. I am not feared of death. It's time for us to make sacrifice and fight against corruption. This was the first address by Gandhian Anna Hazare at MMRDA ground in Mumbai after starting his 3-day fast demanding strong Lokpal Bill. Anna has threatened that his team will campaign against Congress in all the 5 poll-bound states.
और जहां तक जीना देश के भले के लिए, समाज के भले के लिए जीना, तो मृत्यु का कोई भय नहीं, कोई भय नहीं मृत्यु का। पहले तो 5 राज्यों में जो इलेक्शन है विधानसभा का, उस विधानसभा के 5 राज्यों में जाकर हम प्रचार करेंगे। दिल्ली की पार्लियामेंट से जन पार्लियामेंट बनी है ना।
Hazare arrived in Mumbai on Monday night from his village Ralegan Siddhi. He paid respect at Mahatma Gandhi statue in Juhu and proceeded to the fast venue at MMRDA ground at Bandra. Arvind Kejriwal has demanded withdrawal of government's weak Lokpal Bill.
कि सरकार के इस कमजोर बिल को खारिज कर दें और जन लोकपाल बिल पारित करे संसद हमारी। सरकार ने इस आंदोलन को कुचलने की हर कोशिश की है। मीडिया ने हम लोगों का बहुत साथ दिया। मीडिया को के ऊपर दमन करने की कोशिश की गई। एसएमएस का हम लोग बहुत उपयोग करते हैं, तो सरकार ने टेलीकॉम पॉलिसी बदल दी। कपिल सिब्बल साहब ने कहा कि फेसबुक और ट्विटर के ऊपर भी निगरानी रखी जाएगी।
Meanwhile, in Delhi, Team Anna member Prashant Bhushan led a separate 8-hour fast in the capital's Ramlila ground on Tuesday. In open letter to Prime Minister and MPs, Team Anna has asked for 4 changes. Team Anna says these changes are non-negotiable. CBI should come under Lokpal, power to Lokpal and Lokayuktas to initiate investigation, power to investigate even when there are no complaints, Lokpal selection by consensus, not by majority in selection panel, and powers to Lokpal to probe Group C employees. Meanwhile, in Goa, India Against Corruption activists are on fast at Azad Maidan in Panji. North Goa Tourist Taxi Owners Association, All Goa Photojournalists Association has also backed his fast. Anna's fast will continue for 3 days and later on a jail bharo will start across nation on 30th of December.
आणि हांगा चेन हंगर स्ट्राइक जातलो रोज रोज नवीन नवीन लोक येवन उपोषणाक बसतले.
Former MLA and President of Swaraj Utkarsh Association Vishnu Naik has translated Lokayukt Bill 2003 in Marathi language. Association has made its copy available free to public. On the other hand, Arvind Kakodkar, a resident of Vasco, says मैं अण्णा नहीं हूँ.
तांणी पयलेंच जे अनशन करून ती 5-5 जाणांची टीम केली तितले पर्यंत अण्णा म्हजे कोतान बरोबर आशिल्लो. मागीर तागेली ताणी मेथड म्हाका चुकीची दिसली.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
While Anna Hazare began his 3-day fast in Mumbai, the debate in Parliament on the Lokpal Bill turned out to be a round of verbal one-upmanship between the Congress and the BJP. Leader of opposition Sushma Swaraj raised a question of constitutional validity of the government's Lokpal Bill. Sources say the government is now seriously thinking of moving further amendments in the bill. The debate was on till late night.
It is my honest belief that the bill that is now before this August House lives up to the promise that members of this House collectively made to the people of this country by way of the sense of the House at the end of the debate on 27 August 2011.
Minister of State in the PMO, V. Narayanaswamy, moved the bill for consideration in an aggressive tone. He asserted the supremacy of Parliament, saying, "We need to bow our heads to this House only and not before anyone else," apparently referring to Anna Hazare. Narayanaswamy was followed by Leader of Opposition Sushma Swaraj as the Speaker. She termed the government's Lokpal Bill patently unconstitutional, deeply flawed and tampers with the basis of our constitution. She raised issue of CBI, Lok Ayuktas and minority reservation. Accepting the challenge, Telecom Minister Kapil Sibal took on the Leader of Opposition. Sibal asked Swaraj how she could state that Lok Ayuktas will not be appointed as per the provisions of the bill when this had been agreed to in the sense of the House agreement. He said whether the Lok Ayukta provision should be brought in under Article 252 or 253 should be decided by the courts.
कौन करेगा सिलेक्शन? सुषमा जी बताइए कौन करेगा सिलेक्शन? कोई बाहर के लोग? लोकपाल ये करेगा कि हम जानते हैं सब कुछ देश के लिए क्या है और पार्लियामेंट के चुने हुए लोग कोई नहीं जानते ने? क्या ऐसा लोकपाल लाना चाहती हैं? लेकिन बड़े सोच विचार से संविधान को सामने रखते हुए हमने आपको एक ढांचा दिया और वो ढांचा इस बात को सामने रखते हुए कि कोई ऐसी शक्ति नाम किसी और को दे दे जो इस ढांचे को ही खत्म कर दे.
While there is a nationwide unrest building up against a weak government Lokpal Bill, the Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh has said that UPA has the numbers to get the Lokpal Bill passed in the Parliament.
इतना संविधान के पूरी तरह से ध्वंस के लिए आप 253 में ला रहे हैं और आप सोचते हैं कि सदन में और देश की जनता जो है वो आपके दावपेच को समझेगी नहीं.
ये ध्यान रखना होगा कि लोकपाल से लोकतंत्र बड़ा है. ये बिल में भी बहुत कमी है.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Congress has 168 aspirants in 40 constituencies. Applications received on Tuesday includes kith and kin of 5 political heavyweight ministers and a MP. Congress and NCP had a meeting on coalition in Delhi, but the seat sharing will be decided later on. On the other side, sources say that NCP MLA Miki Pacheco may announce his party in the next couple of days by a name Goa Progressive Party.
Tuesday was the last day for the Congress aspirants to apply for the party ticket. Defectors from BJP, Rajesh Patnekar and Dayanand Sopte have also applied for Congress candidature. Patnekar's rival congressman Naresh Sawar has applied for party ticket from Bicholi. Many Congress leaders from Mandre have also applied for Congress ticket. All Congress MLAs and ministers have applied for party ticket. 14 applications have been received from Murgaon constituency alone, while 11 applications from Kankon and 10 from Mummies, Santa Cruz constituency. Kith and kin of Congress 5 ministers and an MP have applied for assembly ticket. Churchill Alemau's daughter Valanka Alemau has applied for Banauli ticket. Joki Alemau's son Yuri Alemau has applied for Sange. In addition, Francisco Sardin's son Shalom Sardinia is an aspirant from Kurtori. Babush Montserrat's wife Jennifer Montserrat has applied for Santa Cruz constituency. Anna Zatia's son Praveen has applied from Maya seat, while Ravi Naik's son Ritesh Naik from Madkai.
माझ्या स्वतःचे काम असं आम्ही फोण्यात काम केलं अंडर माय फादर. आम्ही खूप काम केले असं सोशल वर्क. So मडके आम्ही सुरू करपाक सोदता.
A person who is hardworking, a woman candidate and a youth candidate deserves the seat. So I am the one.
Former Chief Minister Dr. Wilfred D'Souza's son-in-law, Tulion D'Souza, has also applied for Congress ticket from Saligaon constituency. Some youngsters are also in the race.
ह्या पाटी हांवें क्लेम घातला की म्हाका फातोर्डार मतदारसंघांक जो आहे तिकीट दिवची म्हणून आनी म्हाका दिसता की गेली 10 वर्सां मुस्लिमांचो एकूय रिप्रेझेंटेशन जो आसा हे गोंयांत ना.
NCP leader Praful Patel and State Congress observer Jagmeet Singh Brar held a meeting on pre-poll alliance in Delhi on Tuesday, but nothing has been finalized as yet. Meanwhile, sources informed that Miki Pacheco is all set to declare his new party in a couple of days with the likely name of Goa Vikas Party or Goa Progressive Party. Miki plans to field 33 candidates through his new party. Sources also claim that BJP and MGP are bracing for pre-poll alliance. MGP's Central Committee meeting is scheduled within a week to discuss this proposal. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Sushant Pad.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.